Hi guys, so let's try this 3 edge wrap you are seeing on the screen. Let's see how it goes. So we are starting by picking up our ashoke material. This ashoke is divided into, it is 3 layers joined together to form this. So after that, the first thing to do is to make the division of the material, and this division, I don't know how to call it, maybe 1090 or whatever, but please focus and see how little it is here so that you'll be able to create your own like that. So I make like 3 pleats on my head. You can make your pleats before placing on your head, but in this video I made the pleats on my head and I made 3 pleats as foundational pleats. After that, I come to the back after the pleats to knot the smaller part and the bigger part to get it secured, and I cover my head there as you are seeing in this video. And the longer part, I'll use it to cover that up. Can we please focus so that we can get it, use it to cover that place up. And when you're taking it forward, you know the edges will be out. Try to use the edges to create a pleat so that it will be neat. All right, so what you do to one part, you do to the other side, so which I'm doing now. And once you are done, you grab it at the center where you'll be needing your elastic band to get it secured. Yeah, to get it secured. So when you are done securing it to your elastic band, you stretch it out, then you begin to make pleats with the excess at the front. Begin to make your pleats. So guys, do not forget to share as you're watching. Share so that you don't forget, so that it will reach more people. Let it reach more people who want to learn how to tie gele by themselves. Okay, let's save ourselves some cars, some stress, some disappointments, and lots more. So guys, you can see when I am done making that pleat, I just folded it like this and I have some leftover. Hope we can see. So you grab the pleat you made after folding it with your elastic band, and this leftover you have, just pick it up and stretch it out like this. When you stretch it to the back, you use your office pin to pin it down. Yeah, I don't know if I'm communicating, but please do focus so that you will get every step I use to achieve this. So I'm done pleating down that part, and the next thing is to stretch out that the parts I secure with my elastic band. Just dip your hand in and stretch it out. Everything inside, bring them outside. Yeah, when you're done stretching it out, take it to meet that edge here, edge there. Okay, and what we'll be doing is just to pick your office pin and you secure the both sides. I'm just trying to work around it to see. I'm going to join it with the back. So I'm still here, so I want to pin the both edges. Yes, I pin this part, that's the first edge, and I go to the other parts and pin down. Okay, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do like this video. Yeah, leave your comments below. What do you think? Then I go to the back and I pin it the both together. Okay, I pin the both together and I just give it, use my hand to touch it, adjust it for finished look. And here is what I have, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, and this is the bag, guys. This is the bag. Now I'm done with that first one and I want to work to achieve the second part. I just losing one edge of that one up, and I raise it up to meet that, where I'll be just be securing it with my office pin together. And this place, just stretch it out and pin it down as well, and we have another shape. Very simple. Instead of bringing it sideways, we are raising it up to meet that one, and we secure with office pin, and we have the shape. Yeah, this is the second style. Yes, which one do you like? The first, the second, or the third one? I'll show you the third one now. So I'm just stacking it here to make it firm and stand on my head, guys. So remember to comment, remember to like, remember to share, so that I'll be able to do more and it will reach more people. So yeah, you just lose, you see I've loosened up that place, just one place there. Then I just turn it, pull it out like I'm rolling it. Just watch my hand. I just roll it out, yeah, to form that round shape. I just roll it out, and that's just it. After rolling it out, I will add my office pin to secure it with that one at the back so that they will be together. And after that, I'll add my brooch at the center or sideways, and that's the end, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.